This video is for Geowell GWSP Inlet Flange Assembly Exchange Instruction. Part 1 Preparation. Before conducting the repair work, we need to finish following preparations. First, the pump's inlet KF25 needs to be replaced. Second, the new inlet 3/4 inch pagoda connector. Third, testing instrument. Helium leak detector, noise meter and thermo detector. Fourth, tools. M5 inner hexagon spanner, hexagonal torque wrench. Fifth, tightening and setting moment. 14.7 plus or minus 0.74 Newton meters. 150 plus minus 7 kilogram force centimeters. Or adjust the torque wrench torque clockwise to value 1.2. Part 2 Repair Procedure. Use the hexagonal torque wrench to remove the socket head cap screws along the diagonal direction. Use the M5 inner hexagon spanner to remove the socket head cap screws and take off the KF25 inlet. Keep them together for future installation. Take off the O-ring from the inlet. Put the O-ring in the sealing groove of the 3/4 inch pagoda connector. Press the O-ring by hand and make sure the O-ring fits into the sealing groove. Check the edge of the filter at the inlet port is smooth. Put the 3/4 inch pagoda connector with the O-ring on the interface and align with the socket head cap screw holes at the 4 corners. Put the socket head cap screws into the screw holes. Install the 4 socket head cap screws with M5 inner hexagon spanner along the diagonal direction. Tighten the 4 socket head cap screws with hexagonal torque wrench along the diagonal direction. Part 3 Result Test. Start the pump and run it in for 2 or 3 hours. Then confirm that the leakage, noise level, and temperature increase are within the rated values as shown in its operation manual. Now, the inlet exchange is finished. For more information about our oil-free scroll vacuum pumps, or to place an order, please contact us.